Secret Zoom Pro audio features you should know about. How to improve the quality of webinars, live streams, and deliver high quality productions. These secret features are things that 99% of users don't know about or don't use. Let's just cut straight to the chase. The number one way to increase your audio quality on Zoom other than getting a great microphone is this secret button right up here. Do you have this secret button on your Zoom? Probably not. Probably because you're not using turn on or turn off original sound as a feature in Zoom. This is a great feature that I highly recommend. All of you guys enable in Zoom, and here's how you do it. First of all, what does it do? So it allows you to go into stereo mode. So in Zoom, by default, you are using a mono signal. This allows you to go stereo. So if you're a DJ, if you're doing a performance, if you're doing a professional webinar, if you're doing a live stream, whatever it is, this allows you to increase that audio quality to stereo. Then it increases the amount of bandwidth that you can use for audio 3 times larger. So it mathematically increases your audio quality 300% as soon as you use this. Awesome, here is exactly how you do it. Are you ready? So what you're going to do is go down to the bottom of your screen and zoom way down here, and you're going to pull up the settings menu. So just go next to your microphone and go into audio settings. Once you do that, it's going to pull open this menu. This is the way that you turn on this particular feature. You're going to see this music and professional audio section right over here, music and professional audio by default. For some reason, this is turned off. Do you want to know why? Because Zoom wants to save money on their servers. It's turned off, and you notice how. When I turned it off the button, the magic increase audio quality button on Zoom goes way up here. Okay, so by turning this feature on music and professional audio, you now have the button up here, but wait, there's more. If you want to make that audio quality go up even higher, you go into high fidelity music mode. You be sure to check this box right here, high fidelity music mode. You also want to make sure you have echo cancellation on, because that will help you prevent feedback and delay. You need that, and you want to enable stereo audio. This is the way to use the professional music features here as a way for your audio to sound drastically better than anyone else. On that interview, on that Zoom call, in that team meeting, just by enabling this button on your webinar, etc., this will drastically increase your quality. There's a couple things you guys should know here in this menu. Make sure that you do not automatically adjust your microphone volume. Make sure that's checked off. That will jack up your audio quality. You do not want that. Do not automatically adjust your volume. Be sure to set it to where you want it to be and leave it there permanently in Zoom. That will drastically increase the quality of your microphone as you're delivering. That was just one secret feature. Okay, how do you turn it on? It's real easy. It's right up here on the top. Now that you get that setting that we talked about a moment ago, you now click the button and it will illuminate like this. And now you have original audio on now. You sound way better than everybody else on every Zoom call. Make sure if you do a podcast, tell all your guests to turn it off. There's no reason not to do this. It really bumps you up to MP3 podcast level audio versus the garbage telephone quality level audio that Zoom normally delivers by default. In Windows down here in the bottom, there are some settings in your Windows that you need to change and set that could drastically increase your audio quality while you're doing Zoom calls. What do I mean? Check it out. Go down here to your audio thing in the bottom right hand corner right, click it and go to sound settings. It's buried in some deep menus on your computer to do this. Okay, follow me on this. It's going to increase your audio quality. Go to the sound control panel right here. Sound control panel, and I've got something else after this to tell you guys about as well. Okay, go to the sound control panel, and then what you're going to do in your sound control panel. This is why I'm calling it secret. It's a multi-layered thing you got to do. Then you go to the recording tab. Go to the recording tab on your computer. Then find the microphone that you use in Zoom. Here's mine. Right click on that microphone and go to properties. Look at your levels. The levels tab here, and you're going to want to set your levels at the perfect levels manually here in Windows. Do not set your volume levels for Zoom and Zoom. Do not set your volume levels for any communications platform. In that communications platform, it will be jacked up. So generally speaking, a good setting to start with is about 75. Not 100, so set it at 75 as a baseline to improve that audio quality. But wait, there's more. Here's the secret part. Click the advanced tab, and then what you're going to do here is go to the highest quality setting on this drop-down menu. I may have just tripled your audio quality, but wait, there's more. You need to turn off exclusive mode. Why? Because if you turn off exclusive mode, you hit apply. It's going to make it so that Zoom cannot control your audio, and it cannot just adjust your volume up and down anytime it wants, and you control your audio. Get it? That's exactly what you want to do. And so once you do that, now you can set the perfect volume level. You've now increased your audio quality in Windows. Then you've enabled original sound. Now you through all the secret menus I've told you about in this video. You now have professional level quality audio as soon as you hit that turn on original sound button, and Zoom will not jack it up anymore, because you literally banned Zoom from being able to mess up your audio. Best of luck to you. Have fun with your Zoom secret audio hacks, your new Zoom features, and your have a great day, creators.